Hello everybody, remember a video I did a while back about a Rowan County, Kentucky clerk who basically refused to give a marriage license to a same-sex couple? Well, it just so happens that there is a new development in the story when it comes to her pathetic and preposterous position. In Rowan County, Kentucky, Clerk Kim Davis, who has been married 4 times, has been under fire for refusing to issue marriage licenses to same-sex couples because of her religious beliefs. 2 different couples have sued her, but in addition to seeking a dismissal of those cases, she filed a suit of her own this week against Governor Steve Beshear, claiming that he violated her rights by instructing her to do her job. This is so fucking pathetic. You got hired to do something, you have to do it. Since the Supreme Court's ruling that brought marriage equality to all 50 states, Beshear has been adamant that county clerks, as elected officials, have a sworn obligation to serve all citizens equally. In July, he remarked, "When you voluntarily decide to run for office and you win, and you raise your hand and you take the oath, that oath doesn't say, 'I will uphold the parts of the Constitution that I agree with, and I won't with the parts that I don't agree with.'" According to Davis and her lawyers at the Anti-LGBT Liberty Council, Beshear's letter to the county clerks ordering them to comply with Obergefell violated her religious beliefs. The Commonwealth of Kentucky, acting through Governor Beshear, has deprived Davis of her religious conscience rights guaranteed by the United States and Kentucky constitutions and laws by insisting that Davis issue marriage licenses to same-sex couples contrary to her conscience based on her sincerely held religious beliefs. Now, this has got to be one of the most pathetic excuses that I've ever fucking heard in my entire life. It goes on to blame Beshear for having exposed Davis to the lawsuits she now faces from same-sex couples, arguing that he is liable for her claims and is also obligated to effect Kentucky marriage licensing policies that uphold Davis's rights of religious conscience. Under Kentucky law, county clerks are required to issue and sign every marriage license. As the suit notes, no marriage license can be issued by a county clerk without her authorization and without her imprimatur. Because of her religious belief that marriage is exclusively a union between one man and one woman, Davis can neither authorize nor approve the marriage of a same-sex couple according to her conscience, because even calling the relationship of a same-sex couple marriage could violate her deeply and sincerely held religious beliefs. Nor can Davis allow her name to appear as a source of authority and approval for any marriage license issued to a same-sex couple, because providing such approval would violate her sincerely held religious beliefs and convictions. Now, there's a lot more to this article, guys, but I thought that I would give you guys just a little bit of information so that you can become familiar with this situation. Now, this lady obviously thinks that she's going to sue the governor and win, when in all actuality, that is not the case. Ultimately, she's going to be unsuccessful, and I hope that she pays dearly for what she did. She took it upon herself to refuse service to same-sex couples when it came to her religious beliefs, and I want to talk to you Christians about this belief of yours. Your religion ends where civil rights begin, plain and simple. You guys have to realize that you have to honor the laws of this land, whether you like it or not. If you do not want to honor the laws, if you do not want to do the job that you were hired to do, then you are more than welcome to leave the job, plain and simple, so that someone else can replace you and be perfectly willing to do their job in regards to serving the community. That is all that there is to it. You do not get to have people rewrite the laws to your satisfaction. That is not how life works. I have said this many times before. You Christians out there who have this ridiculous position need a reality check, because you cannot go any further thinking that you can treat anybody the way that you want to treat them. That is ridiculous, and that should never happen within society. You guys need to learn what equality is all about. You guys need to learn what passion for your fellow human beings is all about. Because if you don't, you will continue with this ridiculousness time and time again. And that is what I have a problem with. And that is how I feel about this, because this is ridiculous. So feel free to share this video with anyone that might be interested, whether it be on Facebook, Google+, Tumblr, Reddit, Yahoo, or wherever you guys hang out. Till next time, the Quiet Atheist is out, and remember, if you can be good at it. Most of all, thank you for watching, and I will see you next video.